everyone, my name is Kelsey McConnell, and I did my paper on mozzarella cheese. I find this cheese very interesting, and it's one of my favorite cheeses, so I was excited to learn a little bit more about that. So here's what I learned. So the history of mozzarella cheese is a little bit of a legend. It is said that it was first made because cheese curds accidentally fell into a pot of water in Italy. So they don't exactly know how it was founded, but very interesting to hear about how it's kind of a legend. It was also made by the milk of water buffaloes, which is crazy to think about because who even thinks about water buffalo milk? So since they are not bred everywhere, they actually use cow milk now to create mozzarella cheese. So today they make two types of mozzarella cheese, low moisture and high moisture. To be classified as low moisture, it has to be less than 50% moisture, and then to be classified as high moisture, it has to be over 52%, a little bit of gray area there in between 50 and 52. So it was very interesting to me. I couldn't really find anything about why it has a little bit of a gray area, so I don't know what a cheese would be that's like 50 or 51%. So 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese contains niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, biotin, and vitamin B6. Now I am not a med major, so bear with me on that pronunciation, but mozzarella cheese is consumed in many different ways. So fried mozzarella is just typical mozzarella sticks that you would get anywhere. Caprese is it's mozzarella cheese and tomatoes and olive oil all mixed up together. Very, very good. Also, pizza has lots of mozzarella cheese on it to make a good pizza. Also, pasta, so like spaghetti or anything like that, Alfredo. And I decided that it would be kind of cool to make one of my favorite pasta dishes for this project. So I actually made chicken tetrazzini, so that's why I added it to this list. And I used fresh mozzarella to do it, and it was very hard. So here's a picture of me grating my mozzarella cheese ball that I bought from Meijer. So it was very, very hard to grate, but it tasted a lot better and it was way worth it. So when I was grating it, it was just coming in chunks and it kept getting stuck on my dollar store cheese grater. Probably could have done a little bit better with a little more expensive cheese grater, but I'm a broke college student. So trying to cook this was a lot of fun. I've never actually cooked it myself, so a little bit of a challenge, but a lot of fun. I actually learned how to saute while I was doing this, so now I know how to saute my own mushrooms and onions and whatever else you can saute, so it was a lot of fun. And it's very good. I have lots of leftovers. As you can see, that pan is very large, so I made that when our first paper was due, and I still have some left over in my fridge. So overall, I was very surprised about how they think mozzarella cheese was made because of an accident, because it is such a good cheese and everyone loves it, that it was just an accident that it came out. It was pretty cool. I was also completely unaware about the fact that it was made out of buffalo milk at first, but changed into cow milk. It was very, very interesting to learn the history of this cheese and a couple other cheeses along the way, and the differences in between them. So if it wasn't for this class, I would have never learned about my different cheeses, and my fridge thanks you. So thank you.